Oke, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel to IDN Podcast. Okay, uh, I'm so glad you're here because we have a very interesting topic that is should school uniforms be mandatory. This is something many students, parents, and teachers talk about. Some school say uniforms are important, while others allow students to wear what they like. But the question is it really necessary to make uniforms mandatory? In this episode, we're going to look at what schools' uniforms are and why schools use them. The argument is in favor of uniforms, the arguments against uniforms, how uniforms affect students in real life, and finally, what my talk on finding a balance. So let's begin. First, Al.
Wait, what are school uniform? School uniform are special clothes that students are required to wear in school. Uh, Usually, it's the same color, the same style, and sometimes even the same shoes. The idea is simple. Everyone looks the same, and the focus is on learning, not on fashion. But not all countries or schools use uniform. For example, in some places like the United States, many schools allow casual clothes. In other places like Japan or the UK, uniform are almost always required. So, why do some schools make uniforms mandatory? And why do others give freedom? Let's look deeper. There are many reasons why people say uniforms should be mandatory. The first is equality. Equality. When everyone wears the same thing, it doesn't matter if you are rich or poor. Uniforms help reduce bullying or competition about clothes. Standard students can focus more on learning instead of fashion. Second, discipline. Uniform gives a sense of order. When you put on your uniform, you feel like you are ready for school. Just like when you wear sport clothes, you feel ready to play. The third, school identity. Uniform makes students feel like part of a team. It builds pride. When people see your uniform, they know which school you belong to. The fourth, save time and money. Students don't have to worry every morning about what to wear. Parents don't need to buy many different clothes for school. One set of uniform is not enough. For many teachers and parents, this reason are very strong. But of course, not everyone agrees. Some people say uniforms should not be mandatory. Why? First is freedom of expression. Clothes are a way to show personality. Teenagers especially like to express themselves with fashion. Uniforms take away that freedom. The second, comfort. Sometimes uniforms are not comfortable. They might be too hot in summer or too strict in style. Students may feel unhappy wearing them every day. The third is cost problem. Even though uniforms have money for some, in some places they are actually expensive. Parents may have to pay a lot just for a few sets of uniform. The fourth is unrealistic outside school. In real life, people wear different clothes. Some argue that letting students choose what to wear prepares them for the real world. So the arguments against uniform are also very strong.
Okay. Let's
think about how uniform actually affects students. Some students feel uniform make life easier. Uh, they don't stress about outfit and they feel part of a group. But other students feel uniform makes school boring or strict. They want to show their style, but they can't. It also depends on the design of the uniform. If it's comfortable, students might like it. If it's heavy or uncomfortable, they might hate it like that. So the effect of uniform is not the same for everyone. Let's look at some examples. In Japan, uniform are seen as part of tradition. Students wear them with pride. Many even continue to love their school uniform after graduating. In the US, most public schools don't use uniform. Students wear casual clothes and it's normal. Okay, in Indonesia, uniform are mandatory in almost all schools. It's part of culture and most students accept it. This example how that culture plays a big role in deciding whether uniform are necessary.
So, should school uniforms be mandatory? Maybe the answer is not as simple yes or no. Some schools might need uniform because they reduce problem like bullying or competition. Other schools might do fine without uniforms, giving students more freedom. Maybe the best solution is a mix. For example, uniforms or on certain days, casual clothes on others. Uniforms with flexible option so student can choose what feels comfortable. The goal should be balanced, keeping equality and school identity while also respecting student freedom. All right, let's work this up. We'll talk about what uniforms are, the argument from uniforms, the argument against uniforms, how uniforms affect student, and possible middle ground solution. So, should school uniforms be mandatory? The truth is, it depends on the culture, school environment, and what works best for the student. What do you think? Do you like wearing uniforms or do you prefer freedom? Thank you so much for listening to this podcast. I hope it gave you something to think about. Until next time, uh, stay curious and keep learning. Maybe that's all from us. I I do apologize if have many mistake. Maybe the last I say. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.